Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to A Breeze in the Pines. My name is Richard, and we are in the Handcut Hollow Mountain Bike Park in Bentonville, Arkansas. And today we're going to do zones 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know, I like to say that mountain bikers are crazy. You'll see why. Okay, we are starting out in Zone 1, Denial. And this trail is too cool not to show the whole trail, so we're going to go to fast forward. All right, Zone 1 bailout. We're not mad, just disappointed. And now we start Zone 2, anger. All right, this is the trail I showed you from the Northern Traverse video. Northern Traverse is, right up there. All right, right up there is river crossing from the Northern Traverse video. I asked people to comment if they understood the reference, and nobody has. There's a hiker I follow on YouTube called Hiking Dancer, and anytime she crosses any amount of water, she always goes river crossing, even if it's a little trickle like that. Anyway, we are at, I believe, the start of Zone 3. There's no signs, but according to Gaia GPS, this is where Zone 3 starts. So this is Zone 3, bargaining. All right, this is the start of Zone 4, depression. Almost looks like that was a trail before the tree fell. We are approaching the bridge, which I believe on the Traverse. Always take the cool way. And that's suffering right down below us there. They're absolutely crazy, am I right? Just a reminder, that is a uphill trail. Spicy enough going downhill. And coming up on the hub. And some other necessity, it looks like the trail that people take up to this point. All sorts of trails here. So we're going to take checks in the mail back down. Hey, we've done 1.8 miles, and a half mile of that was getting from the J Street parking area to the trailhead. So about 1.3 miles for zones 1 through 4. I've got an Appalachian Trail section hike coming up in June. I think I'll be training on that trail with my pack. So all those trails seem to let out around the Valley View School trailhead. Okay, we are right at 2.6 miles. There's a half mile down to the trailhead from the Northeast J Street parking lot. About 1.3 up the zone trail. And about 0.8 miles on checks in the mail, which is about the same distance as elbow room. Anyway, thanks for hiking with me. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you down the trail. Blaze on. Man, as soon as I stopped recording, the plane just landed just on the other side of those trees. I missed it. Guys doing touch and goes.